How's it going, guys? Indiana John here, and today I've got another tutorial for you, and it's on that. This can be done as a combo or as a loop, and it's a loop that I've found myself doing quite a bit for a while now, and I've been meaning to do a tutorial, so here it is. Here's one more time at full speed. And I'm actually going to go through it twice to show that it is a loop, and then just to open. And here's each of the steps. So it's going to start on the safe handle, and it doesn't really matter. I mean, this is how I will show it to get into the reverse thumb chap, but it starts in a reverse thumb chap. You can go from the safe handle, do a little swing out right up to your thumb, and I would consider that to be a reverse thumb chaplain because if you were to do it on your index, that would be reverse as well. Yeah, I'm trying to figure which way is more natural for a thumb chaplain. I think the other way. So yeah, this is a reverse thumb chap. So sorry about that. It goes from a reverse thumb chap, and then it's a lot like behind the 8-ball, where you go from one type of chaplain and push the finger out with the thumb and then do a different type of chaplain, except we're going reverse. So it's a reverse thumb chap, and then you can go to your middle or ring, but I'll teach it to the ring, or to the middle rather. So reverse thumb, and then you're going to touch your thumb and middle together, and then you're going to pivot. Oops, sorry if I'm out of frame. Man, it's been a while since I've done some tutorials. So you're going to pinch there, and that's going to transition from your reverse thumb down to your middle reverse middle chap. Yeah, sorry, I'm getting my thoughts together. Yeah, so that's what it is. It's a reverse thumb, reverse ring, and I keep saying ring, reverse middle, and you're gonna catch it. That all was the easy little beginner bit that I'm having a hard time explaining, but now is where it gets a little tricky. You're gonna do one reverse middle finger chaplain, zero gravity, and you're gonna stop it like this with your ring finger between your middle and ring. It's gonna stop right there. So again, from the beginning, it's reverse thumb, reverse middle, catch right there. And then now you're going to turn your palm up and do kind of a little ladder where it goes right around to your index. And then from here, it's going to go around the back of your hand. And then that is where you're going to initiate sort of a choker, sort of more like a Z choker, but reverse. And it's going to land right there. And let's go through that again. Reverse thumb, reverse middle, catch it here, palm up, ladder, swing it over your hand, and then from right here, from this position, you're going to pull your index finger back and push your middle finger forwards, and that's going to do just a little bit of a fan, choker fan looking thing, and you're going to catch in this specific catch. Right there. It's a little weird, but it works very good. From here, you're perfectly lined up to go right into a reverse thumb again, and that is the whole thing. Oops. See right there, I did it on my ring finger. There we go. It's definitely easier with a middle finger chaplain instead of a ring finger chaplain like that. There's the ring finger again. And that's how I do it most of the time, because I think it's cool to do a choker fan looking thing between your ring and middle. Oops. But again, it's much harder to land that. So there's the middle finger zero gravity chap. And like with any loop, you can kind of get stuck in it, and so it's good to have a way out. And what I usually do is right from here, I'll either do, that's not what I do. I did it at the beginning. I don't know. You'll have to watch the slow-mo at the beginning again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry it was pretty choppy. It's kind of a weird combo to try to break down. But hopefully that's how I end it. There we go. Hopefully you get the gist of it. Let me know in the comments if you got, if you're still confused, and I'll try posting some more stuff or explaining it better. Thanks for watching, and have a good one, guys.